In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Microsoft account for Xbox. This process is essential for anyone wanting to update their sign-in details or switch to a different email address associated with their Microsoft account. It's important to note that your Xbox profile is linked permanently to the Microsoft account it was created with. You cannot transfer your Xbox profile, purchases, Game Pass, achievements, or game saves to a different Microsoft account. However, you can change the sign-in email for the same account, which is what we'll focus on today. To start, sign into your Microsoft account. This step is crucial as it establishes your identity and gives you access to your account settings. You will see the familiar Microsoft homepage once you log in. Look for the profile icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the page. This is where you can manage your account. If you are using a mobile device, you may need to navigate through the app to find similar options. Once logged in, you can begin the process of updating your email. Next, go to Your Info and then select Manage how you sign into Microsoft. This section allows you to see and manage your account aliases, which are the email addresses linked to your Microsoft account. It is important to understand that aliases can make it easier to manage different email addresses while keeping the same account. This little step saves you a lot of time later as you won't have to create a completely new account. If prompted, verify your identity. This verification step is important for your account security. Microsoft wants to ensure that the person making changes is indeed the account owner. You may receive a verification code via email or text depending on your account settings. Enter the code as requested. Once verified, you will have access to edit your account information, including your email preferences. Now, click Edit Account Info. This action takes you to the area where you can manage your email addresses. You will find options for adding or changing your email details here. It's a straightforward interface designed to help you easily navigate your account settings. You might notice that this area also provides information about the current email addresses linked to your account. From here, select Add Email. This option allows you to enter a new email address or even create a new Outlook.com email. If you choose to create a new email, follow the prompts to set it up. It is essential to enter your new email address carefully to avoid any mistakes. This ensures that you can access your account without trouble later. After entering the new email address, you will need to verify it. Microsoft will send a verification link to the new email address you provided. Check your inbox and click the link to confirm that this email belongs to you. This step is vital as it solidifies your control over the new email address, preventing unauthorized access to your account. Once the new email is verified, select Make Primary next to the new email address. This action designates your new email as the primary sign-in alias for your account. It is a significant step because it directly affects how you will log into your Microsoft account in the future. You will see a confirmation that your email change was successful, putting your mind at ease. Lastly, if you wish, you can remove the old email if it's eligible to be removed. This step is optional, but it can help to keep your account tidy. Removing old emails ensures that only current and relevant information is associated with your account. It is a good practice to keep your account updated, which can prevent confusion down the line. Remember, you cannot move an Xbox profile to another existing Microsoft account. If you want to use a completely different Microsoft account, you'll need to create a new Xbox profile, and your purchases, subscriptions, achievements, and game progress won't transfer. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.